In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up a Robomarkets account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to robomarkets.de. From here it should bring something like this, and here you'll be able to either sign in or open an account. And of course we'll choose open an account for this tutorial. Once you're in here, you'll see the register option down here. Here you'll need to enter your email address, your first name, your last name, and lastly your mobile phone number. Once you've done that, you'll need to click confirm that you are over the least age of 18, that you have read and agreed documents, that you agree to the company's mailing list, and agree that Robomarkets may contact me at telephone if it concerns information and matter that are presumptually my own interest related to initial or contracting relationship. Down here you'll also need to add I am a human and then do this little slide right here. And then from here you'll be able to click register. Once you have done that, it should bring something like this. Now as you can see that they have sent the credentials to your email account, and then from here you'll just need to verify your personal data by clicking verify right here. Once you do that, you'll need to enter your email verification, your ID, passport verification, and lastly your address verification. Once you've done that, all of these no's will turn into yeses, and from here you'll be able to go through and complete the verification. Once you've done that, you'll go directly into the dashboard where you can start trading using Robomarkets. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!